Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll share with you how to do the combo meal set in advanced way, which is the buy one free one or buy two free two or purchase in Genius POS. Thank you.
Okay, first go to the setting and then go to category and create category, name it as promotion and it's save. Okay, go to the item, you create the item. Let's say my promotion is soya bean buy 3 free 1. So I create the item as a soya bean first, and then I create the item for soya bean. So my soya bean is 5 ringgit, and if I buy 3 free 1, my selling price is 16 ringgit, and I click save. Okay, make sure you got the item and the promotion item, also set it as item first. Then go to the add combo meal group, then you create the group, name it as soya. So make sure the optional is off, and then you select to the combo meal group. So I find soya, so I select the soya bean. Okay, I click one only, click done, and I click add. Okay, so add already. Now go back to the item, I select to the promotion, which is the soya bean buy 3 free 1. I select to combo. Okay, because I buy 3 free 1, so I total I got 4, right? So I select the combo, I select go to the combo meal group, I link it the soya bean, I click 1 2 3 4, click done, and then click save. So do an example. So if I order the promotion, I click the soya bean, automatic is 4. What if I want to make automatic detect? Go to the setting, combo arrangement, make sure you turn on, save, and then go to the print option, kitchen, make sure the categorized printing is turned off. Okay, then click save. So if I order 4 soybean, 1 2 3, and then click 4, automatic will bundle. What if I want to do another selection, which is if I add on 1 chin chow, okay, my normal price is sell 1 ringgit 50 cent. If I buy 3 soya and free 1, at the same time I want to add on the chin chow, only add on 1 ringgit. So I go to the combo meal group, I click the chin chow, select combo meal group, I click chin chow. Okay, so here the price is 0, right? I put 1 ringgit, I click done, and then I turn on optional, means that I want to order chin chow, yes also can, no also can, click add. Okay, go back to the item combo, I select that my package, in the combo I click one more, which is the chin chow, I click done and then save. Okay, so okay, if I order the soya bean, I click here. Then if I want to add another option, so I click edit. So select on the chin chow, I click on, click add. It shows that 1 ringgit, so total is 17 ringgit. If I want to add on not only chin chow but others item, for example, so I create the item first. Okay, so same goes to here. I go to the add combo meal group. Okay, I go to the chin chow, I can add one more, which is the soya sauce. Same goes to if I add on, the takes 1 ringgit. Save. Okay, it will ask me the chin chow whether I want to chin chow or soya sauce. Only select one, I click add, only add on 1 ringgit. Furthermore, if I click 4 times soya bean and I click chin chow, automatic will become a bundle also. If you want to unlink, very simple, go to here and swipe and delete already, click done, then click save. From here, the combo arrangement, you can edit the priority, which one will auto detect first for the package.
That's all for today. Thank you.
我是阿Seng，找POS System，找阿Seng。